Hey everyone, you're sending a quick payment to a friend for a shared meal. You tap a few buttons, the money is deducted from your account, and you expect it to be in their hands within seconds. But what if it doesn't? What if Venmo takes forever to verify your payment? Hook. Ever found yourself staring at your Venmo app, refreshing endlessly, wondering, where's my money? Context. Venmo, a popular peer-to-peer payment app, has become a go-to for quick and easy transactions. But sometimes, the process can be frustratingly slow. In this video, we'll dive into the factors that can affect Venmo's verification time and offer some tips to speed things up. Factors affecting verification time. Payment amount. Larger payments often require more rigorous verification. Venmo might need to confirm your identity or account balance before releasing the funds. Payment frequency. If you frequently use Venmo, especially for large amounts, the app might be more likely to flag your transactions for review. Payment recipient. If you're sending money to a new recipient or someone with a less established Venmo history, verification might take longer. Time of day. Venmo's servers might be busier during peak hours, leading to slower processing times. Account age. Newer Venmo accounts might be subject to additional verification measures. Tips for faster verification. Verify your identity. Ensure your Venmo account is fully verified by providing your personal information, such as your date of birth and social security number. Link a bank account. Connecting your bank account to Venmo can help expedite the verification process. Use a debit card. Debit card transactions are often processed faster than credit card payments. Avoid suspicious activity. Avoid making frequent or large payments to unfamiliar recipients, as this can trigger additional security checks. Contact Venmo support. If you're experiencing excessive delays, don't hesitate to reach out to Venmo's customer support. Common verification issues and solutions. Pending status. This often means Venmo is reviewing your transaction. Be patient, as it can take a few hours or even days. Decline status. If your payment is declined, check for insufficient funds or incorrect account information. Restricted account. If your account is restricted, you might need to provide additional documentation or resolve any issues flagged by Venmo. Conclusion. While Venmo generally offers a fast and convenient way to send and receive money, there are factors that can influence verification times. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can minimize delays and enjoy a smoother payment experience. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to stay patient and informed when using Venmo.